Nova in, oh geez Louise, I can't even read that far. Time for new glasses. And this is TLP in Pinwheel, or that is Golden Peach, that is Watermelon, that is Taffy, that is Laguna, I think. That is Sea Glass, and that is Unicorn. I have some Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, and whoa, Wilbur. This is Amsterdam Greenish Blue right there. All right, guys. So this is a test piece. I'd love to put this on a bigger canvas. And I did the pleat technique on the bottom here. I think if I had more real estate, it would look a little better because it looks like there's too much color. But Karen Durishin let me borrow her fruit colors. And I didn't opt for the mango. I went for the pinwheel. I went for the pinwheel instead because I wanted more purple. And I kind of continued that into the sea a little bit. So this is just my attempt at doing Karen's technique, but she did a swipe along the sea here. I actually did one of those and it turned out a lot better than this, but I wanted to try that pleat technique. It's a lot of cells and lacing, but yeah, they're all scrunched together. I don't have any wispies because this is only a 6-inch tile, so, but I might keep this tile, you know, make it something. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. Thank you, Karen. Thank you for all of that you do. You found us quinacridone nickelase gold. You found us so many different techniques, so many different tips. We're all grateful. And yeah, just had to say thanks.